You sometimes just got to get out of your vehicle and take the chance, because you never know what you're going to see. Because look at this. That's so cool. Look how big you are. Hello? That was by far the weirdest thing, to see a turkey on the side of the road and then head into the bush like that. It's so strange. All right, so this isn't something you see on the side of the road every day. We did know this was here, based on something Carmen saw.
Oh, it's one of the hiking books that I have.
Yeah.
And I wanted to take our young niece here for a few years when she was younger. We never made it.
But it's a strange thing. Check it out. It's a shoe tree.
It's the tree of souls. But like S-O-L-E-S.
That's funny. That is so weird. Look at all the shoes just hanging out in the tree. So is this an entire trail of shoes then? Like,
No.
What is on here?
It leads down to a beach on the lake. But
Okay.
there are fairy tale setups. Like
Kinda
little
like
creatures.
Kind of like the Enchanted Forest?
Kinda. But yeah.
Okay.
Just on the side of an FSR.
Wild.
Spy Lake. We've never made it here before, so this is kind of neat.
It's kind of weird. Huh. Just come here and nail your shoes to a tree. Yeah.
Or hang them. They're even hanging from the tree.
Yeah, I see. They're like way up there.
Yeah.
That's so wild. Ah.
Pretty through here. So apparently as you walk through here, if you look on the side of the trail and stuff, there's little fairy tale creatures.
Okay.
There's a little welcome rock.
Oh, welcome. Welcome.
It's a pretty trail.
It's a neat little root structure. You know, this is inland, but everywhere we've gone on this trip so far
There's like little...
has felt like you're on the island. There's so much moss and stuff.
It's got eyes.
What has eyes?
It's got little...
The nails?
I don't know. It's just nails, but...
I don't think that's one.
Yeah, somebody
Oh,
made it
I
into
see.
something. See?
They make stuff out of tree stuff.
Out of the trees? Yeah.
Oh, I get
I
it.
don't know.
Okay, okay. Interesting.
There's a little cabin.
I see this.
What a great place to take the kids, though, to go exploring and get them outside. Go, hey,
Yeah, right?
and go search for woodland creatures.
This must be the house of the three bears. Actually, it could be. There's bears in here.
There is?
There is. There's some
This
light.
is the home of the three bears. Do not destroy, look, and enjoy.
I was joking when I said
Yeah, but
that.
it's true. Look, there's a little sign right here.
Well, you can't really see very much, but there's two bears. Oh, there's a little tiny bear there too. Oh my gosh, that is so funny.
Look at, somebody made a little, look at this, little hearts and everything out of bark. And little books.
Interesting.
There's actually written on.
No kidding.
Yeah, people have actually written on it.
That's funny. I was kidding when I came down here and said that. I had no idea there'd be three bears inside. And sometimes just got to get out of your vehicle and take the chance, because you never know what you're going to see. Because look at this. That's so cool. So lots of neat little things kicking around. There's just a stick, but there's a moose or something underneath.
Painted ladybugs, little fairies.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And then this over here, I gotta check this out, because this whole wooden thing looks like it was
Purposely
made into something. There's a little rock down there. It's the Mystic Trail.
Well, this is really neat.
But look, somebody made that log into a cow head.
What?
Okay, look at the front, and they've
Oh, I
got
see
something
it.
on it,
Well,
and then you can
see
see the eye, and you can see the,
Yeah.
right?
Huh. Interesting. That's quite the imagination, I tell you.
There's just little things everywhere.
Little nest. What's that?
What's this?
Triangle-looking thing over
I
here.
don't know.
It looks
It's
like
like a little house
weird.
with a little rock and a smiley face.
What a strange little place.
I think we've only gone about 20 feet.
Because you're like a squirrel, you see everything.
I do.
But you really have to look to find some
You
of the
do,
stuff,
because
right?
some of it's hidden. That's what I mean. What a great place to bring if you had little kids
This
and
would be
make it
great
like a
for
little scavenger hunt.
I was going to say for Easter.
There's a geocache up here somewhere too.
Oh yeah? There's a little honey pot. A couple of deers.
Oh, this is pretty.
Oh my.
Look at the
It's like
little
we're in a
tree.
fairy tale right here. Wow. Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
goodness. Well, that was cool. Now, how to get out here without getting wet? Oh, too late. This is the second part of the trail, away from the creek. I mean, if anything, even the walk down here through the moss and stuff is beautiful.
It's really pretty.
I could totally sit here for an afternoon.
Too bad we have to go back to work tomorrow. Oh, wow.
Not quite sure what that is. A little banner of some sort. That sure leads down to a beautiful lake. Nice and clear, too.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Yeah. Okay, well, I guess that's going to be it for this little piece of the puzzle here. So
Yeah.
this will mosey on to the next destination.
We don't know what it is.
No, you never know. That's what makes it so much fun, though.
We're still a few hours from home, so you never know what we're going to find.
Right?
We found a shoe tree. I mean, who would have thought we'd find a shoe tree? Right?
Right. All right, everybody. Talk to you soon.